Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this illustration drawing and created a packaging design for a brewery drink. We will be going through the step-by-step process from hand drawing to sketching it inside of Illustrator and finally placing the design on a mock-up. Before starting a design, first thing you want to do is to go online to search for inspiration in order for you to have a creative direction. And Pinterest is a great place to gather inspirations, colors, and specific design elements. You would also want to look at brands' competitors to see how they are doing with their packaging design, see what's working and what's not. So with that being said, let's get into Illustrator. So here I already have a rough sketch which is going to serve as my reference image. I'll just place my rough sketch properly. So I'll go to transparent opacity and reduce the opacity a bit. Then I lock the layer. Then I go to the top layer, the first layer. Now press P for pen tool. I'll set the fill to none. Then I'll set the stroke to color. You can use any color you want. You can go with black. Then I can start drawing from any point. In case you don't know how to use the pencil, there are tons of tutorials out there on YouTube that you could actually learn from. So guys, at this point, I'm just going to increase the speed in order for us to save time. So just stay back and watch the process. And please, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Go to Object, Expand Appearance. Go to Object, Expand, and hit OK. So now we can be able to scale our image and illustration. Now we can be able to scale our image up and down, and so everything remains the same. So guys, we're actually done with this illustration. So up next is for us to add other elements to our packaging design. For designing for a packaging can, another thing you need to know is the guideline size of the packaging design. In this case, this means the actual size of the label that will be printed for the can drink. When you're designing for a client, the guideline size and other necessary details will be given to you by the client or the printer. But if it's a personal project, just like in this case, what you can do is actually download a can mockup first. Then I'll open up the PSD file. Go over to this smart object on here and double click on it. So I'll go over to image, then canvas size. So here we have the width and height in pixels. So I'm just going to, copy the figures here and hit OK or cancel. So I'll go over to Adobe Illustrator and create a new file. So to create, I'm going to input the width and height for the figure that we had. We're going to input the width and height and times the width by 2 because we're designing for both the front and back. So I'm just going to include other elements like the barcode and any other information or details that should be added. So guys, if you have questions or there's something you're not clear about, do let me know in the comment section. So when I'm done with this, I'm just going to go ahead and save it. And I'll go over to Photoshop. Now PSD file. So I'll go back and double click on the thumbnail. And we're going to import the design that we saved earlier. So after adjusting, you go over at the top and click the X sign to close up the document. It's going to take some time. And guys, here we have our mockup or our front view. It's looking very nice. So I could just turn off the background layer if I'm not okay with it. So I can easily export this as a PNG file with a transparent background, or I export it as JPEG. But what I want to do right now, I actually want to change the background color. And guys, this is looking way better. This is looking much better. Really nice. So I'm just going to save it. I'll save it, then I'll save it so we can work with the back piece. Right now I'm going to show you how our back view is also going to look like. So I'm just going to adjust it again. And then just like we did before, then click OK. Yes to save. Take some time to load. So guys, here we now have both the front and the back piece. I actually made a post of this on Instagram. If you would like to check it out, I will leave my Instagram handle right here on top of the screen, and also leave the link in the description. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, also let me know in the comment section. It will help me know that you're interested. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.